Hi, I'm picking up on slide 25 for week 10. And now when we get to this week, we're going to amp the frequency up to 4 days a week. So day 1 and day 3, the warm up will be bodyweight squats, one set of 20, and band pull aparts, one set of 15. All exercises are going to be 20 seconds of rest in between the sets. So we're going to start with farmer carries with 15-pound dumbbells for 10 yards, 3 sets at his own pace, 4 to 6 RPE. Then we're going to superset that with back squats, 3 sets of 5 with a 6 to 8 RPE. And then that's also going to be superset with the resistance band curls, 3 sets of 10 with a 4 to 6 RPE. And then there's going to be a rest of 3 to 5 minutes in between before he starts the dumbbell RDL, 3 sets of 8 with a 6 to 8 RP, and bodyweight push-ups, 3 sets of 6, 5 to 7 RP. And then at the end of this workout, for day 1, day 3, he's gonna do a 1 minute plank at a 5 RP to work his abs. And then also for week 10, day 2 and 3, or day 2 and 4, his warm up will be banded internal and external rotation of the shoulder, 2 sets of 6 each arm, leg swings, 1 set of 10 swings each leg, and 1 set of 20 lunges. All warm up exercises are at a 1 to 3 RP. He will start with the trap bar deadlift, 3 sets of 6 with a 5 to 7 RPE. Superset with the walking lunge with dumbbells, 15 to 35 pounds, whatever he decides, for 10 yards. 3 sets of 10 yards, 6 to 8 RP. And then that's superset with the dumbbell push press, 3 sets of 10 with a 4 to 6 RPE. And he will rest 3 to 5 minutes before he starts the glute bridges, 3 sets of 8 with a 4 to 6 RPE. And dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 10 reps each arm with a 5 to 7 RPE. And then at the end of this workout, for day 2 and day 4, he will do abs with a 1 minute plank, 30 toe touches, 50 Russian twists, and then repeat that one more time with a 3 to 5 RP. And then for week 11, day 1 and day 3, his warm up will be banded good mornings, 1 set of 10, banded internal/external rotation, 1 set of 10 each, walking lunges, 1 set of 5 each leg, 1 to 3 RPE. All exercises will have 20 seconds of rest in between sets. So the first is tricep pull downs using the machine, 3 sets of 8 with a 5 to 7 RPE. Superset with barbell RDL, 3 sets of 8 with a 6 to 8 RPE. And then he's going to rest for 3 to 5 minutes before he starts the barbell shoulder shrugs, 3 sets of 5 with a 7 to 8 RPE. And that's going to be superset with goblet squats, 3 sets of 6 with the 5 to 7 RPE. And at the end, he's going to do an ab workout again with 50 crunches, 50 bicycles, and a 30-second plank with a 5 to 6 RPE. And then also for week 11, day 2 and day 4, he's going to do a warm up with banded face pulls, 1 set of 10. And then for his workout, all exercises will have 20 seconds rest in between each set. So he'll start with bodyweight bench dips, 3 sets of 8 with a 4 to 6 RPE. Superset with goblet lateral lunge, 3 sets of 5 with a 7 to 8 RPE. And then he's going to rest 2 to 3 minutes before he starts bodyweight pull-ups, 4 sets of 5 with a 6 to 8 RPE. And superset with stability ball hamstring curls, 4 sets of 12 with a 6 to 8 RPE. And then at the end, for his abs, he's going to do 1 set of 20 toe touches, 1 set of 20 Russian twists, and a 30-second plank, all at a 5 RP. And then for week 12, day 1 and day 3, he will start his warm-up every single day this week that he does it, so it would be the 4 days. He will incorporate rehab into this week's exercise as well. Instead of reintroducing an exercise, he will get the choice of 5 rehab exercises from the previous weeks to do. So 5 exercises 5 times a week. 10 to 12 reps with 2 to 3 sets, 1 minute rest in between them at a 3 to 5 RP. For this workout, all exercises will have 20 seconds of rest in between the sets. He'll start with the dumbbell lateral raise, 4 sets of 6 reps at a 4 to 6 RPE. Superset with dumbbell shrugs, 4 sets of 8 with a 5 to 7 RPE. And also superset with bodyweight jump squats, 4 sets of 5 with the 4 to 6 RPE. And he'll have a rest of 3 to 5 minutes and before he starts the dumbbell split squat, 4 sets of 5 per leg, 5 to 7 RPE. Superset with incline push-ups, 4 to 6 reps, or 4 sets of 6 reps with the 4 to 6 RPE. And then day 2 and day 4 of week 12, his warm up will be those rehab exercises on the previous slides that he gets to choose. All exercises for this will also have 20 seconds rest in between the sets. He'll start with dumbbell thrusters, 3 sets of 8 with the 5 to 7 RPE. Superset with dumbbell calf raises, 3 sets of 12 reps with the 5 to 7 RPE. And then that'll also be superset with pull-ups, 3 sets of 6 with the 5 to 7 RPE. And he will rest at least 3 to 5 minutes before he starts ab rollouts, he's going to do 3 sets of 5 for 6 to 8 RPE. Superset with dumbbell upright rows, 3 sets of 10 reps with a 6 to 8 RPE. And then that'll also be superset with bodyweight single leg squats, 3 sets of 5 reps per leg, 6 to 8 RPE. And that's it.